Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to download folders from Google Drive. So a folder can contain one or more files and it can also contain other folders inside it. And a folder is always empty until it has files or folders inside it. So to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So over here, I have opened my Google Drive. So I'm just going to click on this Google Apps icon and click on Drive. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So what I need to do is, let's say I want to download this folder. So all I have to do is right click on it and just simply click on download. Now the folder is being downloaded. Once the zipping is completed, it will come over this region and it will say the download is complete. So now one file is zipped and the download is completed. So to check, what we need to do is we need to go to our file explorer. Let me just search for file explorer. So now if I go to the downloads, you will see that there is the cloud. Now why is it like this? Because we need to unzip this file because it is in a .zip. That means it is in a zipped file. So for unzipping this, you need to right click on it and just click on extract files or extract here. So I'm going to click on the extract here. Let's see. Okay, so now it is in a folder format. So now as it is in a folder format, we can open this and there is the Google file.txt. So here is the information of the file that we had uploaded on the Google Drive. So this is how you can download a folder from Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to download a folder from Google Drive. Thank you for watching.